What's up people, welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video we're going to talk about Google autodraw. So basically Google has added this new quirky feature on the autodraw tool. If you don't know what is autodraw is basically a simple drawing tool. You can use it for creating your PNG icons, maybe simple greeting card or customized postcard for someone. The way it works is you just go ahead and doodle on this blank screen. The URL is autodraw.com. Just go ahead and doodle up on this particular blank screen, and based on your drawing, Google is going to give you this new option. So this is the new feature that they have added. Based on the AI recognition, it's going to offer you what that object could represent. It could be either this tent, or it could be this tent, or it could be this pyramid, and it's really cool actually. Let me just go ahead and do undo, or you can go ahead and start over again with a blank canvas, and this time let's say I create a circle. So the moment you go ahead and create a circle, is going to give you this options depending on again what it could be. If you want to go ahead and change the size and the color and so on and so forth, just click on this pencil icon over here and click on this select option and click on that object. Now you can, based on your whatever preferences, you can just change the dimensions and so on and so forth. I'm gonna keep it like this, and you can also add the color that you are looking for. Let's say I'm looking for a black. Just place it wherever you want. 1 second. Yeah, just place it wherever you want. And another feature it gives you is adding text. So you can just go ahead and again click on the same pencil icon and just click on the screen again. Let's say I'm gonna add Earth or Saturn. So Earth doesn't have the. Alright, and again you can go ahead and select the text color, whatever you want. And if you want to go ahead and change the placement of that, you need to go ahead and again select on the pencil icon, select on the text tool, the select tool. You'll find different tools over here, like the first one is autodraw, the second one is the draw, which is basically gonna give you, so this one doesn't give you the top icons. This is like a doodle, simple doodle tool, the way earlier it was. You can just create whatever you want to with your customized. Maybe if you have a Samsung Note, that's gonna be really easy for you. The next tool I told you, that is the type. The second thing is, for instance, if you want to go ahead and change the background color of this thing. First of all, I want to delete this thing over here, and I'm going to click on the fill shape. The moment you click on the fill shape, you can just select the color and just select the place where you want to go ahead and put it on. This is how you change the background. I know it's looking very shabby, but this is just for the demonstration purpose. You can go ahead and add shapes. So now this gives you only 3 options. That is the triangle, square, and the circle. The other ones are not available, but it is pretty cool. And of course, before adding, you need to change the color of the shapes that you want to go ahead and add. Now, another part is, the first thing is you can just either change this particular background color to, let's say, white, and download this as a PNG. I'm just saying hypothetically. Or there is another way. I can just click on or start over, let's say, and I'm gonna, for instance, select on the circles, and I'm gonna go ahead and create this design, whatever, and I will download it. For instance, I just, let's say, add a color. Fill. You can add different colors for different sections if you want that way. I'm just gonna go with the yellow everywhere. Alright, now just go ahead and download this PNG, and you can go ahead and use it for, let's say, your Pinterest background. Alright, so this is the PNG that I just downloaded, and just add the text on this. Now how do you go ahead and do that? If you are looking for that particular answer, just share this on Spark Post. Alright, so this is not giving me an option to share with Spark Post. What I'm talking about is the Adobe Spark Post tutorial. You can just go and click on add and import it over here. So based on whatever thing you want, and for instance an Instagram post, or let's say a YouTube thumbnail for a matter of fact, or a Pinterest pin. So you can go ahead and customize it basically on the social media platform that you want to go ahead and use it for. I have created an extensive tutorial about Adobe Spark Post, which you will be able to find at the end of this particular video. Well, so that was about it, about the Google autodraw feature. Let me know how did you find this cool update by Google, and I'll see you back in the other video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and if you found the video helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button on the video. If you have any queries regarding Google autodraw, please drop in a comment, and as always my social media links are in the video description to come and say a hi. Bye for now.